Hey, welcome to the channel, cooking lovers and home chefs. Imagine serving up crispy, delicious meals for your family or friends without crowding your kitchen counter. This Ninja Double Stack SL 2 drawer air fryer with its innovative 9.5-liter capacity and space-saving design makes this a reality. Let us explore the full specifications, design, features that makes this air fryer a game changer for your home. This air fryer boasts two independent 4.75-liter drawers, totaling a 9.5 liters, perfect for feeding 8 or more people. Each drawer can hold a 1.4 kilogram roast chicken or 900 grams of fries, ideal for meals like juicy chicken with golden chips. With 2470 watts of power, it cooks up to 55% faster than fan ovens, delivering crispy results in minutes. It features 6 cooking modes: air fry, mass crisp, roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat. Air fry uses little to no oil, cutting fat by up to 75% compared to deep fry. For tasty wings, fries, or vegetable, mass crisp cook frozen foods like nuggets or fish fingers at 240 degrees Celsius for crisp finish fast. Roast prepares meat, fish, or veggies like salmon or roast potato, while bake handles cake, cookies, or breads. Dehydrate creates snacks like dry fruits or jerk, and reheat revive leftover to fresh quality. The sync feature lets you cook two foods with different settings like air frying fries and roasting veggies and have them finish together. Match feature uses the same settings across both drawers to double your serving size, great for large crowds. The Ninja Double Stack XL measures 15.2 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 18.5 inches deep, weighing 22.7 pounds unboxed. When boxed, it's approximately 18 inches high, 22 inches wide, and 14 inches deep, with a total weight of about 24 pounds, making it easy to transport from store to your home. Why is this important? The compact, stacked design is 30% slimmer than traditional dual drawer air fryers, fitting neatly under standard kitchen cabinets and saving counter space in small kitchens. Its gray finish with chrome accent adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen. The non-stick dishwasher safe drawers and crisper plates simplify cleanup, while stainless steel racks double the cooking space in each drawer for layered meals like chicken tendered. The non-stick dishwasher safe drawers and crisper plates simplifies cleanup, while stainless steel racks double the cooking space in each drawer for layered meals like chicken tenders and asparagus. Each drawer has an individual heat source and rear fan for even 360 degrees air circulation ensures consistent crispiness. The digital control panel with a dial makes setting times and temperatures straightforward, and drawers pause cooking when opened for safe shaking to ensure even result. Power consumption is efficient, using up to 55% less energy than conventional oven. Package include two 4.75-liter non-stick drawers, two crisper plates, two stainless steel racks, a chef-created recipe guide with cooking charts, and a user manual backed by a 2-year guarantee upon registration. This air fryer is versatile for family dinners, parties, or solo meals. The stacked dryers let you cook multiple dishes at once, catering to different tastes like spicy wings for some and baked potato for others without extra appliances. It is also a great for small spaces as its versatile design takes up less room than side-by-side models. You still handles large portions. If you are cooking for one, use a single drawer for smaller meals without wasting energy. This air fryer is ideal for busy families, small kitchens, or anyone who love quick, flavorful meals. Whether you are hosting a gathering, preparing weeknight dinners, or experimenting with new recipes, it delivers crispy, delicious results with minimal effort. The Ninja Double Stack SL 2 drawer air fryer deserves your attention. Explore it today and revolutionize your kitchen. Thank you.